Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Blake again, coming at y'all for another video. And this is actually my boy Devon. Y'all seen him on the channel a couple times. This is his nasty 3-valve. And this has been something we've been wanting to do for quite some time, but the Mox has been nothing but trouble for me.
Super excited.
Yeah, you're excited?
Oh, it's gonna be close. It's gonna be close.
You keep saying that, dude. I don't think so. But so today's video, guys, is we're gonna be putting the cars to the test. So we've always wanted to race them. They're both kind of similar setups, and I think it'd be a really cool video. So I think we're just gonna see if is a 3-valve just as good as a 4-valve.
Oh, he's talking smack now.
I ain't trying to talk smack. Is a 3-valve just as good as a 4-valve? Let's find out. All right, guys. So over here we have Devon's 2009 Mustang GT, which is the 4.6 liter with the 3-valve, and then to his right is my 2003 4.6 4-valve Mach 1. Now, I actually helped Devon put this intake manifold on this car, which is really cool. It's a really sweet setup, and he's pretty much got the same routine that I got. So Devon, you want to run down your car real quick?
Sure. I've got ported heads. It's not the stock. It's a stock valve size. Ported heads, stage 2 cams, bullet cams, 373s, long tubes, upgraded throttle body, 42-pound injectors, X-pipe, and that's it.
All right, guys, so pretty much take what he said. What tire are you running, buddy?
NITTO 555 305s.
Okay, so my car actually had a little bit of extensive work done, just like his. Fully built motor with a forged bottom end, but it's bored 20 over, has a 10% CFM airflow with a valve job done on it. Stage 2 Crower cams, full exhaust, intake spacer, cold air, 410 gears, and my car is running the NITTO 555 G2's 315 wide. His are 305s. So the comparison is going to be, you know, what's your power, buddy?
350 to the wheel.
Okay, so Devon makes 350 wheel and 320 torque, right? Or 322, something like that. It's like 320 torque. My car went to go get a baseline because I couldn't get the car actually dyno to the neck, and my car made 308 to the wheel and 350 foot-pounds of torque. So it's gonna be a pretty interesting comparison, really, how weight, gearing, grip, how really it's gonna play a part since we have the similar tires.
Similar tires. It's got, again, it comes back to, he's got 410s, I've got 373s. So it's gonna be whoever gets the jump. It's gonna be really close. I think
it's gonna be an awesome video, dude. All right, guys. Well, I'll see you guys at the spot. I did not expect any of that, I'll be honest. 350 to the wheel, dude. I am crazy shocked actually at the outcome. I did not, I really thought he was gonna win. Really thought he would win, both times. Dude, his car ain't slow, that's, wow. Wow. I spun through first, spun a lot in second, caught up and passed him. All right, guys, we just got done and went ahead and parked our cars. Freaking, that was some, I did not expect any of that. You pain in my ass, but you know what? I'll put up with you sometimes. Dude, that's not what I expected, but that was an awesome turnout.
It walked it. I was expecting close, but he pretty much walked me.
I walked you?
What was close was the 20 mile an hour pull.
Mm-hmm. Did you see me getting squirrely?
Well, I heard it.
I was all this. We'll see it on the camera probably.
That's the only thing that saved me in that 20 gear pull, because I rode first longer. I pulled in second, and then we came up to the bend, and then I let off anyway, but you're already pulling around me by the time we got to the bend.
Jeez.
But yeah, the other two weren't even close.
Really? Because because when you're in the car, you're focused on not trying to.
No, you were pulling steady.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Dude, that's crazy. Because when we went to the dynos and all that, I was watching I looked at your curve too. I mean, you got a solid curve.
Smooth curve, but
and
torque and gearing made the difference. You got 30 more torque, plus you got 410s and I got 373s. So you got 30 foot-pounds more torque plus better gearing.
Well, you know what would really probably change the outcome? All you do is swap 410s into your car.
Probably would.
It would totally change up everything. I guarantee it. If you guys like the outcome of this video or just enjoyed it in general, or like seeing Devon's car, like, comment, subscribe, share this video, please. I was really interested in trying to see, because he has so much work done to his, and so do I. But 3-valve versus 4-valve, I wanted to see the difference, and it blew my mind. Yeah. It really did. I mean, you said I walked you, then that's saying a lot, because I expected it to be close or you'd win.
No, and like I said, it was as soon as you hit. I mean, we both hit at the same time, and it was just a steady pull. It wasn't a back and forth thing. It was just a steady pull. Comment
and like the video if y'all want to see me race my dad in the 03 Cobra. Pull lead versus all motor. Oh, it's time. It's time. Let's get it, boys. Like I said, hope you all enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, please, if you're new. And I will catch you guys in the next one. See ya.